Da 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 dun dun. Hello everyone, here are some questions for you based on the video. The best way to learn something is to engage with it. So if you really want to learn how to use reflexive pronouns, try your best to answer these questions by commenting throughout the video. Reflexive pronouns are a special type of pronoun we use when the subject and object of a verb in the sentence are the same thing. Hello everyone, my name is Mr.D and I'm a grammar teaching cartoon head. In this place we learn about English language and grammar, so be sure to subscribe to see a new video every week. As we said before, reflexive pronouns are used when the object and the subject in the sentence are the same thing. There is a total of 9 reflexive pronouns. They are myself, yourself, himself, herself, oneself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. The word reflexive is derived from the word reflect. This is good to remember because reflexive pronouns are used to reflect back to the subject of the sentence. Each reflexive pronoun can be used to refer to its corresponding personal pronoun. For more information about them, click on the gray box above my head. In this video, we will look at the relationship between our reflexive pronouns and their personal pronouns along with an example. Our first reflexive pronoun is myself. This corresponds with the first person personal pronoun I. An example of this could be, I accidentally hit myself while playing tennis. Next we have the reflexive pronoun yourself. This corresponds with the second person personal pronoun you and is used when referring to the second person singular form. An example could be, you have to do it yourself. Next we have herself, himself, and itself. These are used when referring to the third person singular pronouns her, his, and it. We can use them as follow. The boy was talking to himself. The girl was taking care of it herself. The dog saw its reflection and was barking at itself. Our final group of reflexive pronouns are ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. We use these pronouns when referring to the third person plural pronouns we, you, and they. Some examples are, we have to take care of ourselves. You three should figure this out yourselves. They took it upon themselves to clean the classroom. So there you have it, reflexive pronouns in a nutshell. Take a minute to answer the questions from earlier and comment them below. The best way to learn is to engage and participate, so feel free to ask me any questions about this video. Thank you for watching and I will see you again next time.